需要摸手肘的？
有啊，他们都可以啊。
好强哦！
他们都可以啊，你自己看那角度，可以磨吧？
太强了，可以啊。够近的吗？你会太近，你会太近。玩那个啊，到边都会塞出去。For American fans. Last year we had. He did a great job, surprised a lot of people, impressed a lot of people. So I'm sure Jamie Hacking remembers that from last year. And right here is where he hurt himself. Extended that lead a little. Reviewing in second spot. Competitive come race day. Was holding his wrist as he minutes for our team right there, but he's paying a lot of attention to the hand and wrist that he was favoring. He immediately got up, ran over and sat on some hay bales and was holding on to that left hand. So Alex DeAngelis could have a wound to deal with here this afternoon and again tomorrow. Valentino Rossi re-entering the racetrack, going up pit lane. With Michelin tires is
after his midget toss last week.
yeah.
How about
Alice Team Ducati. James Toseland.
Feeling encouraged as he gets ready to go back out on the